Hey everybody, in this video we're going to dive into Agent Registry and just going to let you know Agent Registry is an open source centralized AI artifacts catalog that helps you build, package, publish, discover, and govern really AI artifacts, including agents, skills, MCP servers, prompts spread across multiple container registries and GitHub repositories. It provides a single source of truth for your AI building blocks for your teams that are allowed to share, deploy, and compose into specific applications. What we're going to dive into today, what I'm going to demo, is how to create an MCP server, be it using Agent Registry. So in this demo, I'm going to already have Agent Registry deployed itself. So I have a clean deployment of Agent Registry, and that you can see it already has some agents deployed and connect it to my Kubernetes environment. So in this instance, I'm running K-Agent. K-Agent is an agent runtime that allows you to deploy, manage agents across all your different Kubernetes environments. So in this real demo today, what I'm going to do is create a new MCP server. So I already have 3 in here. We're going to build one using Agent Registry CLI and add some tools to it. And then we'll use Agent Registry to publish it to Agent Registry, and we're going to use it to deploy it to our Kubernetes environment. So let's get started. And you can follow this on aregistry.ai. If you really go to docs and you go to the MCP section and you click on create, I'll focus using this guide on how to get started and configured. So let me switch over to my terminal here. So really what we've got to do first, let's build the scaffolding for our MCP server. So in our CLI, if we go, let me just clear this, arctl MCP initiate, and if I just do question mark or help, what you'll see is you can build, you can initialize a Python library or a Go MCP server. So we're letting you to choose, are you going to build MCP servers with Go or Python itself? So let me just build a Python one, Python my MCP server. I'm just going to put some description in here, just a demo MCP server. We'll just use my name. I'll just put my email address. So now we have built the scaffolding. So if we take a look at the folder, I can go my MCP, ls, or tree. Here's kind of the scaffolding for my MCP server, right? And here's what I can use to start building things that I want to do. And what we're going to do first is add a tool in this MCP server. Then we'll test the tool itself. So when we build out a tool, each tool is going to contain its own file. So it's going to have, well, we already have echo.py and sum.py. When we execute this command, we're going to get another one to add numbers. So let me just paste this to make it easier. So here's kind of the command where I'm adding the tool numbers and I'm just giving it a description. So if we take a look at our config, we see that the tool is added inside of our platform. And let's edit that tool. Let's give it some commands, or let's give it the actual configuration that we want. So let me just go vi source tools add py. I'm just going to delete this code and we're going to paste in our new code inside this deployment. So from the core server, import MCP, we're going to add an MCP tool. And it's just going to be a tool that allows us to add numbers. So we're going to add this add number tool. Let's save this config and clear the screen. So now that we've built an MCP server, or we've built our framework for what we wanted to do, let's build the container. So where are we here? So we're just going to go arctl mcp build image, let's just call it my MCP server. So now we're going to be using Docker to build this MCP server for us itself. If you don't have the registry, right, you can load the Docker image to agent registry and to kagent. But in this instance, what we're going to do is we're going to run it locally first to ensure that it's working, and then we're going to publish it to the platform. So since we're already inside the file, and if we take a look at it, we see our Docker file has been deployed. Let's execute this to see if see how it works locally. Oh, sorry, run. So now we have our MCP server running. We can see if we scroll up that this is the MCP server URL that it's being hosted on. So, perfect. So what we're going to do is we're going to switch back to the browser, and I already have my MCP inspector loaded here. I'm just going to paste in the URL, and I'm going to connect to it to make sure, all right, perfect. Here's my MCP server. It's working. Let's see a list of my tools. Perfect. I have the add number tool that was just added, my echo and my sum. This is great. So now that is working for us itself. Let's switch back to the terminal. And let's just exit out of this and publish this. So our repo currently is not published. This is all running locally on my machine. So what I'm going to do is agent registry CTL, MCP publish, everything in the folder, type, let's do OCI, package, ID, calling it my MCP server. So now let's verify that my MCP server has been deployed. We can use the agent registry CLI commands to get a list of all our tools. Perfect. Here we go. We have a list of only one in this demo itself, which is all right. And then we can do agent registry CTL show my MCP server. So we can have some commands. So the more info, of course, you're going to put in here, you're going to be able to see the properties of this MCP server in here. And if we switch back to our browser and jump into our agent registry, let's refresh the page. Now we see that, perfect, we built our MCP server locally. We published it to our central repository or our central agent or central AI catalog. And we can do a couple things. We can kind of see the overview, see the packages it has done. We can then go ahead and deploy this inside of our environment. So currently, let's see, currently we don't have anything deployed. So if I go to my MCP servers, I don't have anything deployed. We can do this two ways. You can do this through the CLI with the agent registry command. So agent registry command deploy and publish this, or we could do this through the UI itself. So let's just do this through the UI and deploy this inside of our Kubernetes environment. So I'm going to click on deploy. I'm going to select my Kubernetes environment. I'm deploying everything inside of my kagent namespace. I don't have any environment variables, but if you do, here's where you can deploy them, which makes it super easy to deploy the certified, verified MCP tools and MCP servers to the environment. So there we go. Now this has been deployed to our environment. We can take a look at deployments. We can see our MCP server is deployed. Perfect. And if we go to our kagent environment, let's click on refresh. Now we have the MCP tool hosted inside of Kubernetes. We have all our tools deployed in here successfully. So we can then go ahead next and build our agent and apply this MCP tool to it. So it's super easy to be able to get that scaffolding, be able to deploy it and manage it. Now we have a full catalog that we can add certain things. And in the next video, we'll probably add skills and agents, and I'll show you how you can take agent registry to then start publishing all the different AI artifacts inside the platform. So once again, check out aregistry.ai. It is an open source project. Deploy it. Let me know what you think. Write some comments below. I'll throw in the links to the docs, the repo of this deployment, and thank you for watching.